Hey, what's up, everybody? My name is Vivienne. I am the business secretary. If you are new here, please subscribe to my channels and hit the notification bell. Every week, I will upload one video. You will learn more about business software related topic. Okay, let's start. Our topic for today is understanding basic manufacturing terminology. Every manufacturing or supply chain start off with raw materials, and through a series of manufacturing process, we convert these raw materials into finished goods that get sold to the end user. So let's take a look at some of the terms and concepts that we use in manufacturing. First, let's talk about these three kinds of inventory that you will find in a factory. The things that factory buy are their inbound material. The material in the middle is called work in process, and their output are called finished good. You generally want to keep all this kind of inventory as low as possible, but you need to be careful because if you run out of inbound inventory, you could shut down your entire manufacturing line. Next, let's talk about capacity. There's only so much a factory can produce at one time. The things that limit the capacity are called constraint. Constraint might be caused by equipment, not being able to hire enough people, or to buy your inbound material. Factories don't usually operate at their full capacity. So, a factory that has a 50 utilizations is only using half of its capacity, while high utilization rates are generally good. Factory needs some downtime to do preventive maintenance, or we can call it a PM. PM help to avoid unplanned shutdown because of a machine malfunctions. Also, supply chain professionals understand that you don't want to have a factory running a high utilization rate unless you are sure that customers are going to buy your products, because that would just mean you are making unnecessarily finished goods inventory. Now, let's look at how we structure a manufacturing or assembly line. The steps in manufacturing process are often called workstation, work center, or work cell. The list of components that go into the product is called the bill of material, or often we call a BOM. When you build and arrange the parts that will be used in the workstations, that is called kitting. Kitting is often done in the distribution area. Kitting means all products they are sold in a kit together. It is a process of pulling multiple products from the warehouse floor and combining them into new kits. When you pick up some parts and material, then group together in a single kit, then that has its own SKU number. The time required to complete a step in the manufacturing process is called the lead time. Lead time is the rate at which you need to complete a product in order to meet your customer demand. For example, if you receive a new product order every 4 hours, your team need to finish a product in 4 hours or less to meet the demand of your customers. Put it simple, lead times refer to the amount of time a manufacturer have per unit to produce enough goods to fulfill the customer's demand. It is time takes to complete one task. When you change over a line from making a product to another, there is usually some setup time. Minimize setup time can improve your efficiency. In any manufacturing environment, safety have to be top priority. When people need to wear special equipment like steel toe shoe or safety glasses, this is called personal protective equipment, or PPE. Manufacturing is about converting raw materials and components into finished products. And by understanding the basic, you can do so much better job of planning and managing your manufacturing processes in your factory. That's all for my sharing in today's video. As always, if you learn something new in my video, please give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channels and turn on the notifications bell. My name is Vivienne. I am a business software coach, and I'll see you in my next video.